last video of the day, I promise. But this one, I wanted to spend a little bit of time to go over the tutorials because I know that this is going to be a little different this week. So I am going to give you this weekly schedule, just kind of keep you on track. The quote of the week is the same as 7 Eyes if you have me for 7I, but it says, "There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs." So I like that inspiration right now because I know a lot of you are working really hard. So it's just to remind you that your hard work will take you somewhere. The scholar goal of the week for the whole school is to contact each teacher at least once per week through a comment, an email, or showing up to a Zoom. And then for our weekly schedule, I will also hyperlink the different videos that I take. So just make sure that you guys are going through the videos. Like if you see the different links here, they're different videos that I'm posting since I posted a lot of videos. But remember that I'm trying to just give you little tutorials in case you're stuck. Okay, the Zoom sessions are highlighted in green. So as you can see, tomorrow I'm going to be asking you to sign in at 12:30 for participation points so we can meet as a class. It's going to be really important to answer any questions since I know there's a lot of information going on. And then Thursday we're going to have a tutorial so that we could, Thursday we're having a Zoom tutorial. It's at 10 a.m. That is early for a lot of you, I understand. But it's the only time we were able to work with all of our tutors and all the other AVID teachers. So just make sure that you're setting up your 10 alarm clocks if you have to so that you can be on time. And then in this video, I'm specifically going to be talking to you about Zoom TRFs and the Jamboards that are due. Everything else is pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to talk too much about this. And I did already complete another video for your weekly logs. So that really covers most of the other information. So please watch the other video if you're a little confused on what to do. But I will have optional office hours at 1:30 on Wednesday through Zoom. So if you just want to stop by and say hi, or if you have any questions, that's another option for you. Okay, so now moving on to Zoom's TRFs and Jamboards. I have shared both with you already, so you should see it posted on your Google Classroom. But you have all of today, all of Tuesday, all of Wednesday. Try to avoid doing it in the morning since I know a lot of you are struggling to wake up early because it's due at 9 in the morning on Thursday. Your goal is to choose one class that you're going to focus on just like you would a tutorial. So you guys have been working on 2 TRFs a week. You only had to do one for this quarter. And the form looks something like this. So it's going to ask you for your first and last name. You're going to type my name, your self-read teacher, tell me what class you're focusing on, and then you have 2 options. Do you need help with this topic or do you just want to review? And then tell me which teacher teaches that class. So if you're choosing Math 8, for example, maybe your teacher is Miss Turner. What's your grade in that class and percentage? So tell me, maybe you have a B and you have an 85%. Whatever your grade is, whoops, sorry, that's not where it goes. But whatever your grade is, tell me what it is along with the percent. Okay, then here, just tell me what the original problem is. So maybe the problem says, solve the inequality x plus 3 is greater than 2. So just tell me what your problem is there. And then tell me, where can I find this problem? So could I find it in the Math 8 textbook? Tell me the page and problem. Is it on Google Classroom? Tell me that and tell me the name of the assignment. So anything that will help us see and find the problem for ourselves, that's what we're looking for. Okay, and then you would submit that. That is your Zoom TRF. Then for part 2, you are going to be asked to do a Jamboard, which has already been shared with you. Okay, so the Jamboard looks like this. And it gives you options here on the left-hand side. So for original problem, you're just going to put a little sticky note. You can even choose different colors if you would like. And then you would tell me what is your original problem. So remember in my example given, it was like solve and then tell me whatever it's telling you to solve. Like, I don't know. We were working on inequalities, right? So whatever the original problem is, tell me what it is, and then write it here on the sticky note. So see, then you would have it here on the sticky note. Then as far as like the source of the problem, you would tell me, like, once again, it's kind of like you can even copy and paste this information from your TRF. So that's actually a really good idea. So type your TRF, keep that window open this one, and you can just copy and paste because those problems match up. So like, see, describe, that would be the last one. Describe the source of your original problem. You can just type your information here. So you would type it, copy and paste it, go back to your Jamboard, and then you would paste it here. Okay. It does give you an option to like upload an image. So that's very important because maybe you want to take a picture of your math problem or whatever the problem, whichever class it is, and you can paste it here if you would like. That would be helpful. And then here on the right hand side, that is where you could start solving your problems. So you could write it out if you would like. Okay, so kind of play around because that doesn't look so good. So I would choose maybe a different marker, and it gives you the options here. So maybe I want a pen. That looks better. So do you see, you can start working on your problem here. That way we can see like what have you done so far, like where did you get stuck. You could also type if you would like, so you can go back to a sticky note if that's an option, because maybe you're able to solve your problem just typing or showing us that way. Okay, but here's where you will show us your work. And when it comes time for the tutorial, I will ask that you have this window open and that you have it ready to go with the Zoom session. That way, if we're working on your problem, everyone can see it at once. Okay, so it's recommended that you use like a Chromebook or a laptop for the Zoom sessions. If you have no other option at this point, then just sign on with your phone, and that's better than not showing up at all. That pretty much concludes our video for today. So just make sure you're watching through all the videos. I know there are a lot of them. There shouldn't be any more this week though, so I just wanted to give you all the information today, the first day of the week. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.